If you guys need any PPF work, wrapping work, tinning work, these guys up, they'll get you right. Oh my god. You guys killed it, bro.
Everything in the new height. We did the tint, we did a paint correction, ceramic coating, front end PPF, so the full head, we take out the vents to properly tuck it in, wrap full bumper, the splitter. You can see, like, if you look really close.
Bro, it looks so much shinier. I don't know if this catch. Yeah, you guys catch this on camera, bro. This looks insanely shiny.
The ultimate plus, it adds an extra shine to the car. Like, it adds an extra gloss to it. So it makes it even glossier, and then with the ceramic coating as well.
Sick, bro. I appreciate your hospitality. Start it up, boys. Ooh, she sounds nice. Let's go take some fire pictures. Yo, what's going on, everybody? I just got a text message from one of my boys from Fresno that there's gonna be a car meet in Bakersfield called Import Face Off. It's gonna be my first car meet of the year with the Supra. See how it goes. Take a couple shots. Hope we have a good day.
Look, there's a nigga dipping. Watch, slow down, there's a nigga dipping, look. He was hollering.
Just pulled up. Put it on sport mode, sport mode. It's right there. Right there, fool. It says sport right there on the dash. You just click it.
Yeah or not?
Yeah. Nigga, hold up, look.